Are you needing to deposit a check but can't make it to the branch? No problem. Heritage Grove has the option to deposit your check remotely right through our mobile banking app. After securely logging into your account, select Mobile Deposit. Carefully read the mobile deposit notice, making sure to endorse your check with the Mobile Deposit Heritage Grove. Then select Done. Choose the account you would like the check to be deposited into, and enter the exact amount as shown on the front. Select the check front and position the front of the check under the reader, making sure to align the check with the template. Then do the same for the back. Tap on Deposit Check. A pop-up will appear letting you know your check was successfully deposited.